Filming Brandon Johnson, filming the Emerson Designer Series in my hometown hardware store that I've been going to since I was very, very young. And I think this is high, but it could be medium. It's hard to tell with these.
I think it's medium.
Think it's medium? Oh. I don't think I've ever seen it off but once in all the time I've been here. These do have a kind of a slow high, but they still move a lot of air. And it's just a cool small town hardware store, you know, that has everything, and people here are cool. I know everybody that works here, and I still come here a lot. There's me. He's filming me. I'm filming him. Anything else you want to say, Brandon?
How long has this span been in here for?
Well, I'm guessing early 80s is when they put it up, because that's when these were made, and they sold them.
Yeah.
Emerson was the house brand in the 80s, and then they switched to...
Now, these are not, these are never in Canada.
Yeah?
Mostly Canarm and Danville.
I might have sold a few of these in Canada, because JCPenney sold these, and you guys had JCPenney, didn't you?
No, we never did.
Not even from the catalog?
No.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, that's all I can get of this one, so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.